Welcome to the project demonstration of Raspberry Pi face recognition based vehicle access controlling system, and along with if unauthorized person is entered to try to access the vehicle, then the system will lock the door with help of this electromagnetic solenoid locking system, and also it will provide us the stimulations for the shocking purpose using this stimulator. And all these are interfaced to this Raspberry Pi 02W we are using. And to control these output and input devices, so coming to the output devices, so this is the relay used to on and off this electroshocking device. So please take care while demonstration of this project. So before demonstration or after demonstration, please short these two wires. There is no charge capacitor should be there. And next, this is the electromagnetic relay to control this electromagnetic solenoid lock. And this one is the GSM module for sending and receiving the SMS alerts, and this is a GPS to provide the location of this vehicle, live location. And here we are using the 4 control buttons in this version. So mainly like these 2 control buttons are off and on the ignition. This is the DC motor we representing as ignition unit. And the next, these 2 control buttons are using to delete. D for delete the database of our phases which was stored already, and E for enrolling the new one. We will demonstrate these 2 also. And all in interface to the Pi 02W, and this is a transformer to provide the power supply for this electromagnetic door locking system. So let us see the demonstration. And one more thing is, this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the module, and this is the transistor board to on and off this ignition unit. So let us see demonstration. This is the power supply units for the Raspberry Pi, and this is a power supply for the transformer unit. Okay, once you on the power supply to the transformer, there is a light indication on the regulated power supply units, and on the power supply to this like Raspberry Pi. So it will take around 20 to 30 seconds of duration. Before that, we need to insert a SIM card. So here we should insert this SIM card. The notch should be this side. Use micro SIM adapter and place push to lock and push to unlock. Right, and successful insertion, we can see the GSM module get the signal in 20 to 30 seconds. For the confirmation, you can call to the SIM card. Yes. Right, so on successfully operating system OS, will get right buzzer on and off, and welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. And we can see that searching for satellite, as we are demonstrating the project under the roof, means there is no sky vision for this GPS antenna. That's why we are not getting the satellite location. So once we place the kit under the sky view, then we will get the live location. We'll show you that later and finally. And let us see face recognition. Right, so as we have discussed, we need to press the 1 switch. 0 means off, 1 means enter. So means try to access the vehicle. So when we press this on the LCD, we can see right captured image. So it will capture my image. Right, access denied, as I am far from the system, so access denied. Right, sending message to the registered phone number. I will show you the messages. Right, so we got this message of unauthorized access, and as we discussed, don't forget to disable the shots. Right, okay, and door will be unlocked position only. So if the authorized access was occurred, then so the distance between the camera and your face should be not more than 1 feet. Right, you can see that access granted and sending message, and the motor is running now. So we receive this message. So we got this message, access granted, and the location is 00. To off the ignition, 0 is off. So ignition off, and door will be in unlocked position. Right, and coming to the unauthorized phase, as we shown already, and coming to the phases storing and deleting option. So let us see that. Coming to the delete, so press and hold this button. So deleting the database. Right, means old database totally erased. So here at least you need to store 3 to 4 persons of the phases, and starting 2 persons are authorized only and remaining are unauthorized. Right, now for enrolling purpose, plain background should be preferred. Right, plain background should be preferred, and enter E button. So here I am standing in front of this camera here, so at 1 feet of distance, and on LCD, see, when I press the E button, so it's enrolling. So it will start capturing person 1. Right, count was increasing. It will capture 45 images, and you should place the different face expressions to provide the high accuracy. So just I am holding the video till it's 45 count. Right, you can see that once the 45 count is completed, right, face is enrolled now. As we discussed, phase 1 is going to be the access granted. See, when I am trying to on this ignition, so while access the switches, please take care, check twice before pressing the switch. Right, access granted. Right, okay. So right, as we discussed, when we place the kit under the sky view, there we can see the GPS light blinking and latitude longitude values on a LCD screen. At the same time, so if I press on button here, so photo captured on LCD, we can see that. So if it's not recognized, there's a more lighting here. So it's placed toward this slightly. Right, so one more time here, see. Count no? So photo captured, access granted. We can see that the motor is running now. Right, and to off that, so we are using this switch to off this ignition off. Right, so it's sending the SMS for authorized access granted and rejection.